What's up, my dear friendsitas? How are you? Today I will show you the technique that I personally use to grow my Instagram from 0 to 50k. Almost 50k, okay? It's like 46.6 right now, so... And yeah, the background is a little bit messy because I'm in a new place and I don't really know how to shoot the videos yet, but yeah, don't pay attention to the background, okay? So, let's just dive into it. And also, by the way, this technique can be used not only for art accounts but for any other Instagram accounts that you want to. So the technique in general is about finding big art accounts and contacting them, okay, and doing ads with them. But it's much more complicated than that, so let me dive into the details. And let me start with step 1, which is research. So what does research mean? Research means that you need to go and find Instagram art accounts that actually have the same artworks that you post, so basically the same style of artworks. And it's pretty easy to do. Like I'm sure you already know many big art accounts, but if you don't, just in case, I don't know, in case you were just born yesterday, you can just go to search and write art, and then you will get lots of art accounts that you can follow and actually see what type of art they do, okay? And once you found a big art account, if you want to find more, just click on this rectangle arrow down. You can click on it and then you will see many other art accounts. I mean, come on, you know how to use Instagram, right? I know I don't need to teach you that, come on. So that's basically step 1, research. Now let's go to step 2. Wait, what was step 2? Yeah, reach them. And I know this will sound a little bit simple, but we will get to the advanced part where you will actually learn the right way to do this, okay? Because sometimes you can advertise with other art accounts and you get like almost 0 followers. So yeah, let me show you the right way to do this. So step 2 is reach them and ask them about their pricing and so on. You can just DM them or email them. It's always written in their bio how to contact them and so on. So basically ask how much costs for one post. Step 3. Okay, now we get here into the details. Record information. What does record information mean? You have to go and open an Excel or Google Sheets document, and there, first of all, you have to write down all the art accounts that you have contacted or the art accounts that you basically found. Then you have to have another column where you write how much costs one post on the art accounts, and then you create another column where you write efficiency. But you don't really know how efficient they are yet because you haven't advertised with them, but we will get to that, okay? Now, step 3 is to start advertising with them. Okay, and here is very important step, because it's not all about them, it's also about your post. You need to find your best performing artwork. What do I mean by that? So go to all of your posts, okay, and if you have a business art account or a creator art account, so like Instagram account, so basically anything except the like normal Instagram account, then you will be able to have a view insights button. You just click on it and then you will see your stats, and the most important thing that you will see how many shares your post got. And I would say take the artworks that got the most like and the most shares, because you really need people to share your art, you know. Why shares are so important? Because when a big art account is going to post your artwork, that means that people will also share your artwork on that account as well. And that means that you will get even more exposure and even more followers. And here again, I would advise you to have a list of all of your highest performing posts. Okay, just make a list of them and have a number of likes and shares, and find the one with the highest number of likes and shares and send it to that page to post. So right now we're just starting, but the goal is to build a whole system of ads that will actually benefit you and in theory make you money as well. Well, if you sell your services, of course. So now let's go to step, wait, is it step 4 or 5? I'm confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we are on step 5, which is run naked in the what? Okay, no, sorry. It was measure results. Basically, now when you have started advertising, try to advertise with few different pages, like 3 or 4 pages, and then measure results. That means that see how many followers you get from every ad, basically from every page. So let's say in general every day you're getting like 20 followers, but now when you did advertise with a specific art page, you got 100 followers in one day. That means that you got 80 extra followers. So now you can think, okay, when I advertise with this art page, I get 80 followers, which is not bad. And let's say you spend $20 for the post, and that means that if you got 80 followers and spend $20, you paid 16 cents. Yeah, 16 cents for one follower. And 16 cents is, it depends in which country you are. For example, if you are in an expensive country, let's say United States, then 16 cents per follower is actually a very good number, I would say. I would say it's pretty cheap. But if you are, let's say, in a country where things are cheaper, let's just take one of the biggest Instagram users, India. Their 16 cents per follower for India is very expensive. Usually when I do, let's say if I advertise in India, I would get like one follower for 2 cents. So a big difference, right? In order to understand where this follower is coming from, just ask that page to send you a screenshot of the countries that they have the most followers in. So you can see, okay, followers from which country I'm going to get. And then you can calculate, okay, if this is the right price or the wrong price. Okay, let's see, what do we have next? Step 6, rob a bank. What? No, don't do this. Okay, it was a stupid joke. So yeah, now you have to rank all the pages by efficiency, which means that let's say you did advertise with 4 pages. Go to your sheet or Excel that you created before and just rank pages by efficiency. For example, let's say you advertise with page A, you just write efficiency 3. So basically 3 out of 3. So just rank them by 1, 2, 3, and then find the one that is the most efficient page. That's very important. Now we go to step number, where is it? Come on, 7. Yeah. So step number 7 is actually the beginning of the system. What is that? So basically now when you found the most efficient page, you can even find 2 most efficient pages. That's also fine. Like, it all depends on your budget. Let's say you found the most efficient page. Again, contact that page and tell them that you liked the ad, it was efficient, but now you want to do, let's say, 8 ads per month, sorry, not per week, per month. So basically 2 ads per week, and ask them for discount in return. So basically, let's say if you were paying $20 for an ad, you know, and let's say now you want to do 8 ads per month, sorry, which would mean that you would have to pay $160. But ask them if you can get a discount. Let's say instead of 160, you pay just 120 or even 100. So it all depends how you negotiate. But I would say because you're doing many promos at the same time, and because you're telling them that you will advertise every month, which means that they will get money every month, they should do a discount for you. I mean, I think that's a normal thing. And that's very important because like that you can actually save money. So now when you have started the system, you're doing this monthly, you can now, at the end of every month, you can go and see how many followers you actually got, if it was efficient, calculate how much money you spent and how many followers you got, so how much each follower cost you, okay? But now the most important question, do you really need followers? The reason, for example, why I want to increase followers is not because I want to become like Instagram famous or anything like that. I don't really care about that, okay? I mean, even on YouTube, I only post because just to you know, post my tutorials, advertise my classes and stuff like that. I don't want to become like a YouTube star or whatever. I don't care about that stuff. Why I do all of this is because I'm selling my services and I'm making money with that. So first of all, and also because of course I like art. I mean, if I didn't like my job, then I wouldn't make any money with that. So first of all, for example, I am creating different art covers for different musicians. You know, I'm creating animated art covers for their songs and so on. I'm doing different design jobs, which of course I'm getting all of them through Instagram. So you know, when I advertise, people see my ads and they're like, hey, wow, this guy is actually pretty cool. Maybe I should contact them and request an artwork from him. That is first thing I do. Second thing I do is that I, of course, as you know, I sell my classes, which by the way, I forgot to mention. Right now I have actually a 3-day free trial for all of my premium Photoshop, not only Photoshop, but also After Effects classes that I have, where I teach you how to animate stuff and how to create stunning artworks. I mean, you already know all that stuff, right? If you just go to learnfromfred.com, you will see all the classes that I have there and all the premium stuff that you can create. Magnificent artworks. Thank you. So yeah. And now you have to ask yourself, do you want just to become Instagram famous, or are you actually going to make income from that? Do you actually want to make your art your main job and actually make money from your artworks. Okay, and I would advise you just to actually intend to earn money from your art, so to actually sell some services, and so like that you can actually calculate that, okay, I spent $100 this month, in return I got orders for $200. That means that I earned actually $100 and I didn't lose money. That's basically how the system works. You advertise and then you calculate if it's efficient or not. And that's it with it, guys. I hope this system is going to help you. It's not something too complicated, but at the same time it's there are many details and you have to do it right. You have to actually see it and be very organized, calculate everything. It's all about the numbers. I know we're talking about art, but I mean, we're trying to do, like, we're trying to grow Instagram, we're trying to make money, so that means that you need to care about the numbers as well. You cannot just be like, oh, I'm just gonna do whatever I want. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but you still need to also calculate your risks, basically. I really hope that was very useful for you, my dear friendsitas, and of course make sure to check my premium Photoshop classes, because that's the only way that I get support from YouTube, basically. I mean, I'm not earning anything on YouTube, come on, it's just I'm too small for that stuff. So see you guys, I love you, bye bye.